great house. I really like how big the backyard is. Like the pool area. And we're going to be talking about the pool in just a second, but Randy, take a look at that view.
You're talking about the Oh, get me out of here. This is freezing. Oh. Well,
this is
Tim.
an actual...
Now you gotta do that.
This is a beautiful pool.
Absolutely stunning.
We're here at 2372 Daytona Avenue. And Randy, tell us about the backyard and the pool.
I tell you, the pool is absolutely stunning. A great temperature right now this time of year. Tim, beautiful lake views off here to the west. Plenty of room even to put in volleyball, whatever you want back here. And this is a diving pool, Tim.
Right. Luckily, we didn't go in the deep end. But one of the things I like about it is you got a beautiful view. You got a wash in the backyard, so you have more privacy, and it's just a great place to live. So give Randy a call on his regular office number, the 855-0101 number, and they'll be able to reach him. Thanks again for joining us here at the Parade of Homes, and let's go ahead and view some other homes.
Come on over.
This home is located at 3472 Pioneer.